love the way you work it in them hills, and I love the way you keep the shit real. Cause I was never looking for no Barbie bitch. No.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jelly Man. I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm just get straight to the point. I'm about to prank a mirror, and I'm about to put a honk if I'm a bad driver on the back of the car. So if y'all like today's video, please leave a like, hit that comment, and hit that subscribe button. Because we're almost at 2K subscribers. I get back with y'all when I'm on the sign. Peace.
It should be about 40.
What's up guys, it's your boy Jelly Man.
And your girl Amira.
We are back with another vlog for you guys today. You know what I'm saying? We had to step it up a little bit because we haven't been uploading in a while. Who are you? Who are you with them shades on and that mask on?
I'm my mother's daughter.
Your mother's daughter?
Yeah.
She don't want to be bothered. But it's okay. It's okay.
Get it connect. Unhand me. Unhand me. Unhand me. Unhand me. Unhand me. Thank you. Oh no, not more traffic. Oh God. The camera say it adds 10 pounds, but why it be looking like you put like 50 pounds on it? I don't like it. What they got on for?
it!
Wait a
I
minute.
knew it! He did it! I knew it! I knew somebody would. I knew it.
Wait a minute.
Yeah! I knew it. I told you what if that happens, and it did. I told you.
You blowing your horn at me for?
I told you.
You blowing your horn at me. Big damn truck. You welcome. Dang, I ain't even asked could you get in front of me. You just got in there. Working the lane. Working the lane. Okay. Dang, you getting in front of me like that too? Y'all ruthless in Charlotte, boy. Y'all ain't got no doggone no manners at all. Y'all ain't my husband just working on this people at all. This trailer truck weird. He blew his horn at me for no reason. How you gonna blow your horn at me? You beside me though, dog. You beside me. How you gonna blow your horn at me beside me? Okay. Okay, big dog. You got that one. Okay. Ain't even gonna trip. Dang, he's down hard. This car riding up on me. Dog. Okay. I'm gonna pull over. I gotta get over. Y'all gonna let me over? I need y'all to see this good old dick right. Look. Y'all don't. Say it's for what I can. So you know, back in the old days, where you have like a jacket or something hanging out your door, or something, somebody blow the horn to get your attention. Like, hey, you got a jacket or something hanging out your door. You got a string or something hanging out your door. Hey, your dress hanging out your door. I feel like that. Like, if I had that going on, I can understand. I ain't got none of that going on. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I ain't never seen nothing like that. But you saw that girl was just a heavyweight at me.
Like,
break a doggone hand off like this. Just like this, babe. Look. It was like this.
yo, they go to KFC over here. And a Taco Bell.
This was her.
That's not funny.
That's how she was doing.
That's not funny.
She was blowing her horn going,
I'm
I'm like, dang.
I don't find that funny.
Just because your folks were like that. Woo! I love you so bad. But that's how she was. Did you see her? That's why I thought her heels about to fall off. I couldn't cut my hair.
They blew their horn?
Now wait a minute. What you blowing your horn for? I'm about to start following folks and be like, why you blowing your horn?
You need to blow your horn.
Yeah, her horn don't work.
You ain't hear what you just said. That's how they went up now.
But look, don't be like me, pray for me. Pray for me. Be better than me. Oh, never mind, don't pray for me. Why you said, Chair, mind your business.
That truck coming fast as fuck.
Mind your business and watch your mouth. Dang, every word out your mouth is a cuss word.
Nope. See, that was the word.
Thank you. Thank you. This is nothing on like long life. I can't stand it. No long life.
You hear that?
What?
Don't fuck with that.
Well, I'm at my destination. I'm about to see if something hanging out. What's going on with the car? Because something better be going on with the car. Lord forbid. But, honey, they blowing their horn. Signal light on. Like they about to turn. And then when they see me about to turn, they gonna keep straight. They just about as doggone crazy than doggone nut. Now, I gotta put my face mask on here because this doggone pollen. Well, it shouldn't be no more pollen, but residue.
You good, baby?
If I be honest with you,
Nobody, they can't hear you.
I
Speak
said,
up.
if I be honest with you, ain't nothing hanging out
No.
the door.
Mm-hmm.
Really? You pay too doggone much. Look, I've been on the highway all day, and I done drove from Lake Norman. I've been wondering why people blowing their horn at me. And he know I can't stand being honked at. And he done did this. Why you play so much? You childish.
Start our YouTube channel, man.
Alright.
You childish, you don't know what.
Sometime today or tomorrow.
Alright, cool.
Yes, sir.
You so childish. Really. Take that, get that off the car.
You get it all.
You play
You
too
mad?
much.
You get it all.
You play way too much.
I put it on that good, didn't I, babe?
You sure did.
Now hold it,
Some
hold it
hope
up,
for
hold it
good
up.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, yeah.
It's off.